Before we dive into the actual hands-on demos in Power BI, I thought it'd be nice to share some of my most helpful resources. So first and foremost, right there within Power BI Desktop, you'll find a Help tab that contains a ton of great information. It's got links to documentation, to training videos, sample files, templates, support blogs, and communities, all accessible right there within the program, which is great. I'm also a big fan of the Microsoft Power BI blog. You can find this at powerbi.microsoft.com/blog. And one thing I like in particular is that they post monthly feature summaries. And this is a great way to see what Microsoft is rolling out, what new tools and features and functions are available in the updated version of the program. So I definitely recommend subscribing to that blog and checking it out. Next up, we've got the Microsoft Power BI YouTube channel. They publish some great demos. They also show the feature summaries here as well, and they've got some really good advanced tutorials. Also check out Guy in a Cube. It's another channel. It's sponsored by Microsoft. He does some really great advanced, more technical demos on his channel, which are really helpful. And then last but not least, Power BI user groups, or PUG. These are communities of users, including both local meetups and online forums. You can find them at pbiusergroup.com. This is another one I definitely recommend subscribing. They've got some great threads and forums where users can interact and help each other out. So go ahead and bookmark these, subscribe to the channels. I refer back to these resources all the time, so hopefully you'll find them helpful as well.